Got a minute? Let's make this. Can you make a burger better? The pepperoni pizza burger might be your answer. It's hearty appetite heaven, and here's what you'll need. In a bowl, combine half a pound of Italian sausage and a pound of ground beef, then a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a teaspoon each of pepper and salt. Mix it all up and form 4 big patties. Now slice the bread and in a hot skillet with some butter, toast the bread until golden brown. Now cook up the burgers, flipping when browned. Then add 2 slices of cheese and 6 slices of pepperoni. Cook until the burger is done and the cheese is melted. Now spread both sides of the bread with marinara sauce and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. When the burgers are done to perfection, lift them out and lay them on the bread. Then add the top of the bun. This big bite burger is loaded with flavor and fit for a hearty appetite. The pepperoni pizza burger for dinner tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.